Yeah. Hey man, we on the charts. I forgot with this mode y'all can't see the charts because it's too bright for your it's too bright for your Anyways, we took 2 trades today. We lost one. Wait a minute. We lost one. We won the second one. The second one we won $487. The first one we lost $136. As you can tell, 136, 487. I got out of my second trade 75 cents earlier, and I'm low-key a little bit like, I should have held because it was $112 that I left on the plate. Like I said, I lost $112, and this is why. Don't worry about the second one. Look at the first one. This volume profile, I have it set to where I entered the trade. I entered the trade at 719, so I entered here where this white dotted line is. I entered there. So initially what I was seeing was a break of the point of control. I was expecting for it to hold under that, and it didn't. But this previous week value area high kind of plays a role in the new week, right? But if that was enough confidence, this volume area high was enough confidence. Now, these 2 points were a little bit too high, so I was like, but I still jumped in, and I got fucked. As you can tell, it didn't really go anywhere into profit, and it went straight into drawdown, and honestly, I got out of the trade early, so I didn't lose as much as I could have or should have. I made $487, and I was supposed to make $600. I got in, let me go ahead and drag this over. I got in here, right? And this is what I was seeing. I was seeing a rejection off of this current volume value area high. It did it twice. Once, twice. I'm like, yeah, it's definitely gonna do it again. But that's the only confluence that we have. The market is in an uptrend. As you can tell, it's an uptrend. So it's like that the only confluence that we have is the 2 rejections that we previously had from this current volume value area high. I keep saying volume value area high. So as it, kept on creeping over and over and over, I ended up saying this. I'm like, okay, well, now it's at the top of this one. So that's another confirmation, but I'm like, I'm still possibly gonna lose. So I added another unit because I'm very confident in this trade. And even if I do lose, I was gonna lose like 250. So I was cool with that, right? And then as the trade goes on, it ended up being an extremely good trade. I got out here, but I got out early. I was supposed to get out at 18. I was supposed to get out 7,018. I ended up getting out at 7,018.75. And that costed me $112. But I'm not gonna lie, I've been journaling, and this is whenever I was in a trade, in another trade, not revenge. It's annoying seeing the shit go up, down, up, down, up, down, but we're holding strong. Sold 2 at 21.75 and then added 1 at 22.75 because I was confident and still am. In trade, patience is wild lull. I took profits 0.75 early, but the OGTP did hit. So if I would have waited like another minute or two, I would have got the whole 600 rather than just getting 487. But I'm cool with that. I am getting better. I can see myself, progressing with this. And sooner or later, then y'all are gonna see me, going up. You don't want problems, I promise, man. We was listening to J. Cole before. It's not J. Cole, but like I was saying, my main goal is to do for myself first. I don't care to do for anyone else before. I got to take care of myself first. Do that, and then get to the point where I can teach others. Because once you teach other people how to make money, they're gonna look at you different, and they're gonna be able to teach others. So if I can make this a chain effect, it's gonna go back to me, but maybe everybody might not know it's coming back to me. Long story short, I want to learn, get better, become profitable, build wealth, and be able to teach others how I started. And that's really how it go. I'm journaling. I got a new one. My old one down there, it ended up, not getting full, but it got to the point where I'm like, yeah, I don't want to write in this no more. I got new ideas. I got a new strategy, and I'm going hard with this volume profile, a developing profile. And mind you, this was low-key a perfect trade. This volume profile is making me a fucking remain humble. This is a perfect trade. I got in here and this way down here. I only got just this right here, which is still cool, just because that was a good exit. Got high volume Novas here. I got here. You can't ask for a better trade. Long story short, chase your goals. Second string of Wall Street.